Hi, my name is Agus. Today I want to show you how to install uh, Ubuntu, Ubuntu OS on virtual machine. In here I use VMware as my virtual machine on my laptop. So let's get started. First, you should open the VMware. After that, choose File and then click New Virtual Machine. After that, choose the typical configuration and then click Next. After that, choose your uh, ISO file which you want to install it. In here, I have the Ubuntu ISO. In here, I use version 18.04 and then click OK. After that, just click Next. In here, we should uh, fill the column, the full name. I fill with my name. In the user, I just use Agus, and the password is. After that, click Next. In here, you can customize your virtual machine name. If you don't want to use the default name, you can change it. And the location, you can change it to by click Browse button here and then choose your location of virtual machine, which one you install it. After that, just click Next again, and then here we should determine the size of virtual machine, which one we to install it. In here I just use 10 gigabyte, and then I just split virtual disk into multiple files, and then click Next again. After that, we can see here the configuration of the virtual machine here. The name is Ubuntu 84-bit, and the hard disk size is 10 gigabyte, memory 2 gigabyte, network adapter is not N80, and the other device is here. So if we want to change the hardware specification, you can click here customize hardware, and then change the hardware configuration here. After you change the configuration hardware, you can click choose close here, and then click finish. After that, the virtual machine is was had finished to create, and just click here power on the virtual machine uh, to install the Ubuntu on your virtual machine. After that, you should waiting until the installation process is done. Okay, and then the Ubuntu OS has successfully installed it.